importance of video conferencing apps has increased manifold given the pandemic. To tackle this problem, I have developed Let's Meet as my submission for Microsoft Engage'21. Hi, I'm Shruti, and today I'll be walking you through my web app. So, we start off with starting the code by running npm start and then navigating to the landing page using landing.html. Here we have the home page. Oh, that's me. I have talked about my journey, the program, the features that I have implemented, how to run the app on your local device, the technologies that have been used, and everything in between on the landing page. You can find all of the information in the documents that have been submitted as well. Now moving on to the video calling home screen, let's start talking. Here, we can preview our audio and video after giving the necessary permissions. Now, I'll be creating a new Zoom. I'll be entering my name, and there we go. We have started our meeting. I'll join from another screen as well to showcase its multi-video calling abilities. I'll go to the Start Meeting page, paste my copied link, and there we go. I'll be entering my name again. This time I'll be Rahul, and there we go. I'm in the meeting. As you can see, we have updated right here that a new person joined the meeting at this time. Neat. I can choose to mute myself, unmute, turn my video on or off. I can even share my screen to the meeting participants. A pretty cool feature that I've added is the collaborative whiteboard. I can start up a drawing on this screen and it will show up on the other person's screen as well. Pretty cool, right? Oh, that's a cute smiley face. I can even clear my board to start a new meeting, but know what I think Shruti has a reply to Rahul? Okay, so Shruti is not very sweet, is she? We can send texts in the meeting to each other with our display names as well as our message times. Now, if I choose to leave the meeting, I will get an update that the other person has left the meeting. If I choose to leave the meeting, I'll be redirected back to the Create the Meeting page. That is all for now. We'll be adding a sign up login page and increasing the scalability in the future updates for the web app. Hope you enjoyed the demo. Thank you.
Thank you!